Welcome to our video on debunking common nutrition myths. Today, we'll explore and correct widespread misconceptions about nutrition. In a world flooded with information, it's easy to get caught up in myths and misinformation, especially when it comes to what we eat. We'll be breaking down some of the most prevalent nutrition myths that often mislead even the most health-conscious individuals. Misconceptions about nutrition can lead to poor dietary choices, affecting our overall health and well-being. By understanding the facts, we empower ourselves to make better decisions for a healthier lifestyle. Each segment will introduce a common nutrition myth, delve into why it's a myth, and present accurate information backed by scientific evidence. From myths about carbohydrates and fats to misconceptions about late-night eating and detox diets, we'll leave no stone unturned. Get ready to challenge what you think you know about nutrition. As we move forward, you'll uncover the truth behind these myths and learn how to make more informed nutritional choices. Let's begin our journey to healthier, fact-based eating. Many believe that eating carbs will make you gain weight. But is this really true? The idea that carbohydrates are the enemy of weight management is one of the most widespread myths in nutrition today. Countless diets and fitness plans suggest cutting carbs to shed pounds. But before you empty your pantry of bread and pasta, let's pause for a moment. It's essential to understand why carbs have earned their bad reputation. Common beliefs include that all carbs spike your blood sugar and transform directly into body fat, and that carbs are empty calories, providing no nutritional value. However, these assumptions are often misguided. In reality, not all carbs are created equal, and their role in our diet is far more complex. Next, we'll dive into the science behind carbs and weight management to separate fact from fiction. As we move forward, you'll see that carbohydrates can be a crucial part of a healthy diet when chosen wisely. Carbohydrates have often been misunderstood in the realm of nutrition. Contrary to popular belief, carbs are a crucial component of a balanced diet. They serve as the primary source of energy, fueling everything from your daily activities to your workouts. Scientific evidence demonstrates that not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide essential nutrients and sustained energy. The myth that all carbs lead to weight gain overlooks this nuance. Nutritional experts affirm that when consumed in the right quantities and from the right sources, carbohydrates are far from the enemy. In fact, cutting out carbs completely can lead to energy deficits and nutritional imbalances. Remember, it's the type of carbohydrate and the overall dietary pattern that matter most. By focusing on quality carbs, you can maintain a healthy weight and support your overall well-being. Next up, we'll tackle the notion that fat-free products are always the healthier choice. Stay tuned to uncover the facts behind this widespread belief. Many believe that fat-free means healthy. This myth can be quite misleading. Fat-free products are often marketed as the go-to option for a healthier lifestyle. But is this really the case? When people see fat-free on a label, they automatically assume it's a better choice. However, what they may not realize is that these products can still be loaded with sugars and other additives. Let's explore the truth behind fat-free products and understand why they aren't always the healthier option. Stay tuned. When it comes to fat-free products, many believe they're a healthier choice. But there's more to the story. To compensate for the lack of fat, manufacturers often add sugars and other ingredients to enhance flavor and texture. These added elements can be harmful, contributing to a variety of health issues. Experts in nutrition warn against automatically opting for fat-free labels, highlighting that these products can still have significant downsides. It's crucial to understand what you're really consuming. As we explore further, you will learn the hidden truths behind fat-free labels. Stay with us as we debunk more nutrition myths and uncover the facts that matter for your health. Many people think that eating late at night will cause weight gain. But is this really true? For years, the idea has been promoted that consuming food before bed will inevitably lead to extra pounds. Fear of late-night eating often stems from concerns about metabolism slowing down and the body's inability to burn those calories. However, let's take a closer look at the evidence. Science tells us that weight gain is more about what and how much you eat rather than when you eat. Despite the widespread belief, the time you have your meals is not the key factor. Get ready to challenge what you thought you knew about eating habits and discover the truth behind this common nutrition myth. Now, let's address one of the most pervasive misconceptions: the idea that eating late at night will inevitably lead to weight gain. The essential truth is, it's not the timing of your meals, but the total caloric intake that matters most for weight management. Scientific studies have shown that whether you consume your calories earlier or later in the day, the most crucial factor remains the total amount of calories you take in. Your body processes these calories based on your overall energy expenditure, rather than solely the timing of when they're consumed. Consider expert opinions from nutritionists and dietitians who emphasize that managing caloric intake effectively can support your weight management goals, regardless of meal timing. This means that focusing on creating a balanced diet and maintaining your daily caloric needs can be more beneficial than stressing over meal scheduling. As we move forward, you'll see how other common myths fare against scientific scrutiny and expert insights. Detox diets are often touted as a way to cleanse your body and flush out toxins. But do they really work? Many people believe that by following a strict regimen of juices or special foods, they can detoxify their system and boost their health. It's a notion that's widely marketed and easy to buy into. But let's take a step back and question these claims. What do these detox diets actually do? And more importantly, are they necessary for our health and well-being? As we dive deeper into the facts, you'll see that our bodies have their own remarkable ways of detoxifying themselves. Stay tuned to uncover the truth behind detox diets and why they might not be the miracle solution they're often made out to be. Your body is a powerful machine with its own built-in detoxification systems. Unlike the claims that promote detox diets, your liver and kidneys are already working around the clock to cleanse your body from harmful substances. The liver, in particular, processes toxins and converts them into harmless substances or ensures their excretion. Meanwhile, your kidneys filter out waste products and pollutants, maintaining the right balance of bodily fluids. These natural processes are incredibly efficient and don't require the aid of trendy detox products. Experts agree that the best way to support these systems is through a balanced diet, adequate hydration, and healthy lifestyle choices. So, next time you feel the urge to jump on the detox bandwagon, remember, your body is already equipped with everything it needs to stay clean and healthy. As we move forward, you'll discover more truths that empower you to make informed nutritional decisions. Some people believe that taking supplements can replace the need for a balanced diet. But is this true? Many turn to supplements thinking they're a convenient shortcut to good health. There's a common belief that popping a pill can compensate for a lack of nutrients from whole foods. Supplements are often marketed as essential for better health, leading to widespread acceptance. But what's the reality? Supplements can indeed fill in the gaps where needed, but they are no substitute for a varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. The misconception lies in thinking that a pill can provide the same benefits as a diverse diet. Nutrients from whole foods come with additional compounds like fiber and antioxidants, which are hard to replicate in supplements. Next, we'll explore why whole foods should be the foundation of your diet and how supplements should only play a supportive role. When it comes to nutrition, many believe that supplements can replace a balanced diet. But is this really the case? Supplements are designed to complement our diet, not replace it. They can help fill nutritional gaps, especially in modern diets where some essential nutrients might be lacking. But relying solely on supplements is not a substitute for the natural benefits of whole foods. Whole foods offer a complex array of nutrients that work together in ways we are still discovering. For example, fruits and vegetables provide fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that are difficult to replicate in pill form. Experts emphasize that while supplements can be helpful, they should only be used to support a well-rounded, balanced diet rich in diverse, whole foods. Remember, a vitamin pill can't replace the benefits of a colorful salad or a hearty bowl of whole grains. So, next time you're tempted to skip meals and pop a pill instead, think again. Focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich whole foods into your diet and use supplements wisely. The idea that all calories are equal is a common belief. But is it accurate? Many people think that a calorie is a calorie, regardless of its source. They believe that whether you consume 100 calories from a donut or 100 calories from a salad, it has the same impact on your body. But emerging research shows that this isn't entirely true. The body metabolizes different foods in various ways. For instance, protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbohydrates. Foods high in fiber and nutrients also provide more satiety and health benefits than processed foods loaded with empty calories. While counting calories can be one approach to managing weight, it's crucial to pay attention to the quality of those calories. Nutrient-dense foods can help keep you full longer and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Not all calories are created equal. While the idea that a calorie is just a calorie seems straightforward, science tells us otherwise. Nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains offer an array of vitamins, minerals, and other vital nutrients that contribute to overall health. These foods support bodily functions, aid in disease prevention, and promote long-term well-being. On the other hand, empty calories, typically found in sugary drinks, fast food, and processed snacks, provide little to no nutritional value. They may satisfy hunger momentarily, but can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health issues over time. Leading nutrition experts emphasize the importance of focusing on nutrient density rather than calorie counting alone. They argue that incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet has far more benefits than fixating on caloric intake. So next time you're planning your meals, think beyond the calorie count. Instead, prioritize the quality of the calories you're consuming for a healthier, more balanced diet. It's often said that eating small meals frequently is better for your metabolism. But is this true? Many people believe that breaking up their food intake into smaller portions throughout the day can boost their metabolic rate and aid in weight management. The idea seems logical. By eating more often, you're keeping your metabolism active. However, scientific research tells a different story. The concept that frequent small meals stoke the metabolic fire lacks substantial evidence. In reality, it's the total caloric intake and the quality of the food consumed that play significant roles in your overall health and metabolism. As we move forward, you'll see evidence-based facts that demystify meal frequency and reveal what truly matters for your metabolic health. In the world of nutrition, we've often been told that eating small meals frequently can boost our metabolism. But what does the science say? Research shows that the frequency of our meals does not have a significant impact on our metabolic rate. It's a common misconception that more frequent meals lead to a higher metabolism. Instead, what matters most is the overall quality of the diet. Experts agree that focusing on nutrient-dense foods is far more beneficial than worrying about meal timing. So, rather than stressing about how often you eat, pay attention to what you're eating. Choose foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. This approach not only supports metabolic health, but also ensures that your body gets the fuel it needs to function optimally. As we wrap up our exploration of this myth, remember, it's the quality of your diet that truly counts, not the number of meals you consume. We've traveled an enlightening journey through many nutrition myths today. From the myths that claim carbs make you fat to the idea that fat-free always means healthy, we've seen the truth behind these misconceptions. Remember, it's not when you eat, but what you eat. And detox diets aren't the miracle they're made out to be. Supplements aren't a substitute for a balanced diet, and the quality of your calories truly matters. We've debunked the myth that you need to eat small meals frequently to maintain metabolism, understanding that overall diet quality is what's essential. Armed with these facts, you can now make informed dietary choices that truly benefit your health. It's essential to question widespread beliefs and opt for science-backed information. Here's to your journey towards a healthier, well-informed lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and remember, informed choices lead to a healthier you.